Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're unboxing and reviewing the Pigeon brand knife set, a sleek and versatile addition to any kitchen. Pigeon brand chef's knife. This multi-purpose knife is perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing a variety of ingredients with precision and ease. Pigeon brand utility knife. A handy knife for everyday tasks like peeling fruits and vegetables and slicing smaller items. Pigeon brand paring knife, ideal for intricate tasks like coring fruits, deveining shrimp, and creating decorative garnishes. Pigeon brand bread knife. Serrated edge makes slicing through bread loaves and cakes effortless, achieving clean and even slices. Pigeon brand kitchen shears, versatile scissors for cutting herbs, trimming meats, and opening packages with convenience. High-quality stainless steel blades. Sharp and durable blades ensure precise cutting performance and long-lasting sharpness. Ergonomic handles. Comfortable grip handles designed for optimal control and stability during use. Sleek design. Stylish and modern design enhances the aesthetics of your kitchen space. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe knives for hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. We were impressed by the quality and performance of the Pigeon brand knife set. The knives are sharp, well-balanced, and comfortable to use. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, this set has all the essential knives you need for everyday cooking tasks. Plus, the affordable price makes it a great value for the quality you receive. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish knife set that won't break the bank, we highly recommend checking out the Pigeon brand knife set. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos. Happy cooking!